If you are looking for the best job site table saw, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. DEWALT DWE7491RS. The versatile and efficient DEWALT DWE7491RS is our top pick in this category. It cuts with high efficiency and has some striking safety features. This latest offering from DEWALT comes with a big rolling stand that adds to the convenience element. It quickly cuts through over 3 inches depth at 90 degrees and nearly 2.25 inches at 45 degrees. This power is being driven by the powerful 15-amp motor. It cuts small and narrow strips of wood as well as large chunks. The best feature is the unique capability to capture dust both below and above the blade. Number 2. Bosch 10-inch Worksite Table Saw 4109. Bosch has a long legacy of manufacturing great tools for generations, and the Bosch 4109 upholds that tradition. It comes with an innovative stand that makes it stand out. The gravity rise stand cuts down the time to set this table saw by quite a lot, reducing setup time. It also comes equipped with pneumatic wheels that can roll on almost any surface without much hassle. Another selling point is the advanced T-slot miter gauge that makes sure that you get the right cut every time without fail. This also features a larger cutting table surface area. Number 3. SKILSAW SPT70WT. The SPT70WT01 is the world's first worm drive table saw. This saw is made for ripping. It features the SKILSAW popular worm drive gearing that provides the utmost torque and power. This unit comes with a great 15-amp motor that powers and keeps the motor cool even when making repeated cuts. With this saw, the user can make accurate cuts with its self-aligning rip fence and a bevel that is easily adjustable and can go from 1 degree to 46 degrees for true cutting. Number 4. Rockwell RK7241S. This portable saw is really lightweight and at the same time incredibly powerful. This saw also delivers an awesome cutting depth. It has a folding fence in order for the operator to make wider cuts. It also features a laser indicator system that guides the blade tilt so that the user can make level and precise cuts. Also with this unit, comes fully assembled trolley that ensures that the saw can be moved around conveniently from job site to job site. It also has an exclusive laser indicator adjusts to blade tilt for a precise cut. Number 5. Hitachi C10RJ. Hitachi Power Group is a global manufacturer of products and services ranging from appliance production to financial services to construction machinery. This saw is a really fast saw that's perfect for heavy-duty jobs and jobs that require that level of speed. For toughest ripping applications, the 15-amp motor is present, which produces 4,500 RPM. It has soft start functionality, which results in the reduction of noise and recoil at startup. For your safety purpose, it has oversized power switch at knee level for immediate shutdown in emergencies.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.